Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Magic of Kritika. Today I am going to make a quick recipe of thick mango milkshake. I love mangoes. Mangoes is our national fruit and also called king of fruits. Now start the recipe. Before start the recipe, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and do not forget press the bell icon for new update. Now start. Here we need 1 mango pulp, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 250 ml milk, some ice cubes. If you like more sweet, then add more sugar. Now I am take a mixie jar. In this mixie jar, I am add mango pulp, sugar, and I will add half of milk. Now I am going to blend it. You see, mango puree is ready. Now I am add remaining milk in the jar and ice cubes. Now I am blend it again. I add little water in this. Now our thick mango milkshake is ready. It looks so amazing. You see how easy this recipe? You try this easy recipe. Oh my god, color of this milkshake so nice. I love this mango milkshake, really amazing milkshake. Now I am going to serve. Now I will serve in 3 glasses. Wow, it looks so amazing. I decorated with my glass of the syrup or rose syrup. Wow, it looks so amazing. If you like my video, please like my video, share my video. Bye. See you in next video. Thank you.